Attach that resistance band somewhere. Beautiful. Go ahead and grab. Okay, depending on your routine, pick the leg that we have set for you on the routine. So if it's right leg, do right leg, left leg, left leg. Right now we're going to do the right leg. So turn out your hands, shoulders back and down, chest up, stick your butt out, hips back a little. Watch her right leg. The knee is slightly bent, okay? That's because it's going to act as a spring so she doesn't fall over. You want your arms turned out all the way, palms upward, okay? You want your shoulders, elbow, and wrist all lined up. Now, curl it in all the way and squeeze those biceps. Breathe in on the way down, blow out on the way in. Look at her wrist, it's not moving around, and her back is not bending. She's really keeping her chest up and her posture up. That's going to strengthen all the muscles in that upper back and body. Look at her face, she's looking nice and straight.